Hey, it's Jason here. I wanted to do a quick video and update you on the 91 Classic. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do another treatment of the underbody for rust preventative. And as I mentioned in my quick video about the cavity fill, I injected this in all the doors. I'm going to go ahead and do it in the frame and any holes and cavities I can get it into on the underbody. But I'm also going to use the hard wax, which is really for the underbody, and it's almost like spray paint, to be quite honest, because it does go on black. You can get this off, so it's not really paint. I shouldn't say that, but you know, your first impression is going to be, oh my goodness, it's black. So you'd want to be careful for like spraying areas that you don't want to be covered, because it's not like the fluid film that I used, which was, it went on clear. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to hop onto the truck, show kind of what I'm doing, and give you an idea about what the Waxoyl application is. Yes, it would be more economical and easier to use a gun on an air hose. I don't have that, and I do these treatments very frequently, and I find that if I keep up on them, the cans work well for the space I have and the tools I have. So it's going to be hard to show this video, but I'm underneath of it. With the cavity fill, I'm going to go inside areas such as this, and I'm going to spray it really good. So the actual frame of the vehicle and any areas that I can get into, I'll hit. And then with the hard body, areas like this, I'll hit it with a brush to knock some of the rust off. I'm going to try to really get in here and get a nice good treatment on it. So those are going to be the main areas that I focus in on underneath of the truck. So this video here will give you an idea of what I'm working with from a rust perspective. This is a 91 Range Rover Classic, and relative to some, it's not nearly as rotten and rusty that you might expect. So I'm going to get to work here. I'm going to end this video. And I'm going to pause it real quick, and I'll show you what the hard body looks like when I spray it. Hang on. So I shook this can really good, and basically the hard body Waxoyl is going to go on. And as you can see, once you put it on, it goes on black. So let's hit another rust area. We'll go up here where you can see some rust. And I'm going to basically go through the truck just like I'm doing here and give it a really nice coating. So then you can see when you spray it how it will actually go on. I have 6 cans of this, and that's going to get me a good way. So again, this is Jason. Be sure to check out my blog, www.jams, J-A-M as in mom, Z as in zebra, jams.net. I'm not a mechanic. I like to tinker on the Range Rover Collection I have, and this will probably give you some cool tips. So thanks for watching.